Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Happy birthday to our dearest country hero, most respected and most beloved Tariq Rahman. Many happy returns of the day. A humble effort dedicated to him on the occasion of the birthday of one of the greatest political activists of all time. I am Mr. Kamrul Islam Kamal, Assistant Professor English, Shohid Zia Degree College, Bagbari, Gaptoli, Bogura, and Vice President Zia Porishad, Gaptoli Upojela, Bogura. I have written a poem named Country Hero. Now, I myself am reciting this. Your arrival blessed this earth on November 20, 1967, bearing witness to 1936 and 1945, crossing 1971, rising in 1978, and then an unwanted departure in May 1981, carrying the burden of mountainous pain, walking through the courtyard of a three-time successful leader. You are our pride, our hope, Mr. Tariq Rahman. You have seen the tyrannical dictatorship in 1990, witnessed the rule of predators for 17 years. You endured imprisonment, oppression, unbearable atrocities, and a fractured spine under illegal rule. You became exiled, homeless, lost freedom of speech for your principles and ideals, unable to celebrate any festivity. So what? Endless and boundless injustice could not perturb you in the slightest, nor tarnish your image or personality. Today, you are a hero turned legend, from a leader to a global figure, by the boundless grace of the Almighty. What magnetic power did the Creator endow you with, turning you from a leader to a world country hero, Mr. Tariq Rahman? In foreign lands you remain exiled for ages, yet the skies, air, rivers, and water of Bangladesh sweetly long for you. When will you return to your abode? We are waiting for you. The country waves in your absence, and farmers, workers, fishermen, and weavers cry out in despair, eager to welcome your return. The Doel, Quail, Shama, Seagull, Cuckoo, and Parrot await you with a bated breath. Today, you are immensely mature, a great philosopher, a superhero, turned legendary megastar, a wise politician, a country hero, Mr. Tariq Rahman. Your wisdom has been proven repeatedly, be it the 31 point or a single demand. We have witnessed your generosity in welcoming even your critics. You are not vengeful. You are not just an institution, but more than that, a beacon for the entire world. Your call causes tremors, from rallies to grand assemblies, from seas to oceans, from fast to massive surges. Your message, your decrees resonate through time, from the present to eternity. You are a poet, a great poet, the heartbeat of millions, passing sleepless nights and restless hours. In thoughts of development, you are with the motherland, the pure embodiment of patriotism, the creator of history. You have always shunned self-promotion, sought the rights of the message. You are the best. You are the undivided Bengali nationalism, the pride of your. When chatterboxes, troublemakers, liars, murderers, and black serpents spread poison in my golden Bengal, immediately your fiery speeches and aggressive resistance shake the throne of the false father. As long as the streams of Padma, Meghna, and Jamuna flow, I hope the cursed, submerged specters of the sinking boat will never return. You are the bearer of democracy, the harbinger of multi-party democracy, known to all, known worldwide. You are the worthy successor of the valiant Major Jia, the son of Bagbari, Mr. Tariq Rahman. I haven't seen you, millions haven't seen you directly yet. What is this enchantment, this faith, this love for you? You are solid, you are stone, you are a sword against injustice and exploitation. It's you who inspired the rebellious students and commoners during the Great War for Independence in 2024. Fearless you are, the light bearer for the struggling masses. You are unique, an icon, the epicenter of love. You have floated on waves of emotion, brought victory to truth. Without your timely leadership, the evil forces wouldn't have been defeated. You live on in the hearts of millions of Bengalis, mingling with the ships of petty swaying along the village paths. The oppressed, hard-working people remember you. The shy rural bride nurtures your image in her heart. The Bengali essence remains grateful to you, while ignorant fools make false and baseless criticisms. You are needed in your homeland of 56,000 square miles. You are needed for the freedom-seeking people of South Asia. It was you who could unveil Hifazat, the Pilkhana, and the Mirror House. It was you who could give a crushing response to misrule. You alone could break the venomous fangs of monstrous fascism, paving the way for workers' Ujjamans to claim their rightful shares. You are unparalleled, you are peerless, you are humble, you are matchless. A living example of greatness, a messenger of humanity, suppressing bloodsuckers and ballot thieves with a firm hand. You united the nation, enriched the country, inspired people regardless of religion, race or caste. You dreamed of united nation, secularism. This nation and its independence are safe in your hands. You are cosmopolitan, charismatic, with an elevated stature. Your eyes filled with the lush greenery of the Bengali countryside. You are a dreamer, a visionary, a symbol of hope and aspiration. You showed dreams, made them a reality, making us indebted to you. In the throes of conspiracy, we have become enslaved in our land. You repaid the debt of blood to liberate this nation. To protect the sovereign state, you are the uncompromising son of Khaleda Jia, inspiring and honoring the souls of Saeed, Mugdho, Wasim and Ratul. You are a just judge who will inspire justice in the land of 1300 reverses against chaos. The rule of law will be established under your leadership in the cradle of Khaji Nazrul, Jushimuddin Shukanto and Jibananando. You are ordinary. No, you are extraordinary. A storm, a tempest, a spark. You are handsome, evergreen, unstoppable over 50. Your charms echo unceasingly via Skype. In the land of Begum Rokeya, Sufia Kamal Hashani, Titumir and Shere Bangla. You are unrivaled, undaunted, undisputed like the mother of democracy. You are visionary, straightforward, eloquent, a global celebrity like Shohid Jia. From the young to the old, even the autistic, your non-cooperation movement earned a new nation's dynamic leadership to move forward. Your alternative doesn't exist. Country hero, Mr. Tariq Rahman. With supersonic speed, breaking the stronghold of dark forces to protect the nation, armed with 2 seas of blood. A revolutionary, spontaneous call, and that is the unstoppable country hero, Mr. Tariq Rahman. An unending slogan resonates in my ears. Save the homeland, welcome the fresh. Take back Bangladesh. Thank you.